What is up and how's it going? Let's look at the best cryptocurrency to buy with a $100 budget. This is a comprehensive beginner's tutorial, which means that if I were to start from scratch right now with no idea what crypto is and only $100, this is my straightforward suggestion. So we have a bit of a warning. Do not invest $100 if it is a significant amount of money for you right now. For instance, if you only have $200 in your bank account, you should not probably invest your $100 in cryptocurrency because as of right now, that equals half of your liquid funds. Wait till you have more money in the bank. It is clever money here and I am going to keep things as easy as possible. When you are first getting started in the world of cryptocurrency, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies to choose from, which might be intimidating. These are the top 5 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization or the total worth of all coins currently in circulation to help you gain your bearings. Polkadot and its namesake crypto intends to unify cryptocurrencies by building a cryptocurrency network that connects the multiple blockchains so they may work together. Since Polkadot's release in 2020, this integration has sparked significant growth and may transform how cryptocurrencies are maintained. Its price increased by 565% from $2.93 to $19.49 between September 2020 and the time of recording. The second on our list is Ethereum. Its market capitalization is roughly $500 billion, which is less than half that of Bitcoin. However, other people believe Ethereum will be the next Bitcoin. Ethereum's main advantage is its real-world utility. Its blockchain allows for the creation of smart contracts, which can be employed in a variety of applications. Ethereum is particularly well suited to the creation of non-fungible tokens or NFTs. Whether Ethereum dethrones Bitcoin as the most valuable cryptocurrency in the future, it appears to be well positioned to withstand the test of time. Ethereum has also exploded in popularity. Its price increased about 25,000% from April 2016 to the time of recording, from around $11 to over $2,700. Tether is the third item on the list. It has a market capitalization of roughly $73 billion. Tether, on the other hand, is the most stable of the coins. All stable coins have a value that is linked to another asset. The US dollar is that asset for Tether. Tether is a crypto dollar that in principle should maintain its value in the same way as genuine US dollars do. Tether's reserves, on the other hand, have been questioned as to whether they are sufficient to back all of its digital currency. The US Treasury Department has urged Congress to take action to address the threats that stable coins like Tether could bring to the economy. Binance Coin is the next coin on the list. Binance runs the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Binance Coin is the third most popular digital coin on the market, which makes sense. It is the Binance Exchange's native coin with a market capitalization of approximately $96 billion US dollars. Binance Coin users who pay transaction fees using the cryptocurrency get a discount. Binance decreases the quantity of digital currency every quarter based on trading volume. These quarterly coin burns will eventually destroy 100 million coins, or half of the total supply. These measures are aimed to boost Binance Coin's value. Binance Coin has grown beyond simply conducting deals on Binance's exchange platform since its launch in 2017. It can now be used for trade, payment processing, and even making travel reservations. It can also be exchanged or traded for other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Its price was $0.10 in 2017. At the time of this recording was made, it had increased to nearly $377, a gain of around 377,000%. Solana comes in at number 5 on our list, with a rise of almost 10,000% over the previous year. Solana has been the largest winning among these top cryptocurrencies. As an alternative to Ethereum, many investors have rushed to Solana. Smart contracts are supported by both blockchains. Solana, on the other hand, has significantly faster processing speeds and lower transaction fees than Ethereum. Solana is a cryptocurrency that was created to fuel decentralized finance, decentralized apps, and smart contracts. It uses a hybrid proof of stake and proof of history mechanism to conduct transactions rapidly and securely. The platform is powered by SOL, Solana's native cryptocurrency. SOL's price was $0.77 when it first introduced in 2020. It was worth roughly $100 at the time of recording, an increase of nearly 13,000%. You must divide your funds evenly and invest for the long run. Remember that you don't have to buy the entire cryptocurrency. You can buy only parts of it. Right now, the price of Ethereum is holding around $2,700. You do not need that much money to get anything. In fact, you can get it for a fraction of that, which is crucial to grasp. So now that you have invested $100, what do? You should conduct research. Cryptocurrencies are based on reliable software, and they have legitimate and promising applications. Furthermore, while some of people gain money investing in cryptocurrencies, others lose a lot of money as a result of cryptocurrency frauds. As a result, before you invest any money in cryptocurrency, you should do some research to see if the currency is legitimate. Before doing any research, you can start analyzing a cryptocurrency as soon as you hear about it. Consider how you learned about it and what you learned about it. Did you get the information from a reputable and trustworthy source? Have you heard about the initiative that the currency allows you to participate in? Or perhaps you have heard about how much money it will make investors? Two further pieces of advice for early cryptocurrency investors. No one gives out free coins, and if something sounds too good to be true, it generally is. Even if you learned about the cryptocurrency from a reliable source and it appears to be legit, there are a few litmus paper boxes you may check before deciding to invest in it. The majority of cryptocurrencies are created as a reward for validating data blocks that serves a purpose other than supporting the currency. If you are a Bitcoin aficionado, you will be disappointed to see that Bitcoin fails this test. That is not to say Bitcoin is a ripoff. Bitcoin has been around long enough and has a large enough market that it can fend for itself. That is unlikely to be the case with any other coin in this game. To put it another way, Bitcoin is not a scam, but any coin claiming to be the next Bitcoin is almost certainly a fraud. The disadvantage is that you may miss out on an opportunity to invest in a project as one of the project's very first investors because you were waiting for a coin to establish itself. That is correct. You may miss out on an opportunity to get in on the ground floor. But the good news is that you will miss out on a lot more possibilities to get scammed. If you really don't want to miss out on what appears to be an incredible opportunity to buy a brand new coin, learn another crypto investment mantra. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. You must also find the white paper. Crypto should do more than just promise to address a problem. It should guarantee that the problem will be solved in a logical manner. Typically, blockchain projects are described in a white paper, which is a publicly accessible document that explains the blockchain's objective and how it operates. Even Bitcoin, which was created secretly, has a widely read and circulated white paper that is available to the public. Learn where you can buy and use cryptocurrency. You shouldn't buy cryptocurrencies outside of a legitimate cryptocurrency exchange unless you are a miner. You can purchase cryptocurrencies on exchanges, and while various exchanges have varying requirements for coins to be listed, you will be safer keeping to them. This strategy suffers from the same flaws as the first one. It takes time for a new cryptocurrency to be listed on a credible exchange. However, we are talking about coin exchange, not programs that allow you to buy interest in a coin like PayPal does. These sites are considerably more conservative than marketplaces, and you risk missing out on a good deal if you wait too long. The next step is to determine who creates the coin. Decentralization is the talk of the town right now. Most credible cryptocurrency projects, on the other hand, will have a publicly mentioned board of directors as well as a partner organization that will support and develop the cryptocurrency. You don't have to know all of the board members' names, but you should be able to identify the names of the organizations that enable or use blockchain. Even though you do not, you must be able to examine such people and groups to see if they are genuine and involved. Evaluate to see if the coin appears to be a long-term investment, a currency worth investing in should address a problem, and the developer's purpose should be to solve that problem, not to make money. These days, the tech world, especially the blockchain and crypto industries, moves at a lightning speed. It is easy to get caught up in the fear that if you spend too much time researching an opportunity, you will miss out. Everything worth investing in today, on the other hand, will still exist tomorrow. If you have learned anything and enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button down below to have our notifications on so you don't miss anything from us when we upload a new content. Thank you so much for today, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one.